my god, my reel fell off. As you can see here on this reel, the bottom piece that holds the reel into the reel sheet is broken. It has been like that for a while. I've known about it and it's caused problems already. It's the only reel I have, so we had to just wing it, and that's what happens. You lose tension and those fish will come off. That fish smoked this 10-inch Savage Gear 3D gizzard. We had pretty good hook placement, I think. But yeah, just lost tension and he came off, so it's really unfortunate. You can see all these gashes. We'll keep moving though. That was a big fish.